Today we are biking along the Walensee. We biked from Unterterzen to Mühlehorn. Stopped for a little picnic and the kids to play on the playground and get some wiggles out. And then we'll continue.
Oh, now you're done?
I dinged.
You dinged?
Yeah. This is dinging.
This is dinging? Show me.
This is dinging. This is dinging. And doing something. We got for a long bike ride.
So we went to Intersport in Unterterzen to rent a bike trailer for the kids. We called ahead to reserve the bike trailer, but the type of bike trailer they had only fit to a certain type of bike. So it didn't fit our bikes, but they let us take a bike that we could have for the day, which was very nice of them. You should reserve because on a nice day on the weekend, they will all get reserved pretty quickly. So you want to make sure to call ahead.
We stopped right at the church to have our little picnic, and there's a little playground, soccer field. But down there is the train stop and the ferry stop. And the ferry goes, well, there's a ferry that goes around the lake, but there's also one that goes directly across the lake because there are a couple towns over there that are not accessible by cars. Are those yummy? Oh, don't spill them. Good job, Noelle. Good girl.
Floating in the fountain of youth. I bet you have an ocean, secret little potion. I bet you have a lover who's as fine as you. Hey, Mr. Love, Mr. Big Love, Big Love. Hey, nana, 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 hey, hey. I've got a little secret too. I've got a mad little crush on you. I wonder if you notice, wonder if you see. I wonder if you ever want to dance with me. But we shall never talk about such things. Such things. Hey nana, 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 hey hey, hey nana, 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 hey hey. 5557172 now. 5557172. Before you go, let me just take one last glance of all. Before you go.
Hi, Vic. You can take a nap too. Noelle fell asleep. You got a flat. So now we're gonna pump it up. Well, did you wake up? Well, we came prepared. Steven had the bike pump and a few extra things attached to the back of his bike. But the trailer didn't fit on his bike. So we rented a bike for him, which means all those extra supplies are still in the car with his bike. So now we're walking the trailer back. It's gonna take a little longer than riding back, but hey, it's a beautiful day. I wish I had a better mount for my camera because the view is pretty spectacular. And at the moment, all I'm using is rubber bands to hold my phone to the front of the bike.
Go, could you tell me what's my chance now? High, low, somewhere in the middle, find a good little soul. High, low, I can bat my eyes like a hidey hole. I've got to twinkle.
We ended up just riding the bikes back. We were over an hour away if we had walked, and the kids were very anxious to get home and not happy going slow. So we brought it back. All is well. And now we're gonna go throw some rocks. We're gonna throw some rocks on the lake.